on the little details that make the difference when it comes to creating an elegant and attractive bathroom. The Bette Upstand is a hygienic and durable alternative to the silicone joint. In just a few steps, you can put an end to mouldy or cracked silicone joints permanently. The principle is as simple as it is brilliant. An enameled upturn of the bathroom that is tiled over by 10 mm on installation. With a lightweight or solid construction, the walls are covered or plastered as usual, leaving only the area for the Bette Upstand. The sound insulating foam tape on the back of the Bette Upstand is attached to the pre-installed ceiling fleece. Once it has been precisely aligned, the bath or shower tray is attached to the anchors, and then the secure wall connection to the structure of the ceiling fleece and corks created. Now the sound insulating tape is attached to the lower end of the ceiling fleece. Once the floor has been covered and the bath apron mounted, it's time to tile the walls. Start laying the tiles from the corners. Make sure that they end up right against the sound insulating tape. Bette Upstand is the hygienic solution for baths and shower trays in lots of installation situations. Whether wall, corner or niche, Bette Upstand adds subtle elegance that is tailored to the individual layout. Even in special room situations, the shortened upturn means that Bette baths and shower trays can be installed neatly in the bathroom. The tile needs to be cut to fit this corner. On request, the Bette Upstand can also be positioned individually for shower trays. This ensures that the shower tray adapts perfectly to the precise dimensions of the installation. A perfect bathroom, absolutely hygienic, easy to keep clean thanks to the harmonious transition